So Sidesaddles, it's not only where I work, it's also my community bike shop. It's my local shop. And I think that one of the things that's really incredible about it is how much it cares about being part of the community and meeting the community's needs where they're at. And I know that a lot of bike shops are not always aware that they can be intimidating places for people to come into. And I think Sidesaddle really stays like with sort of a conscious understanding of that possibility that people might be coming in with a whole variety of different needs and desires and levels of knowledge, and we're always trying to meet people where they're at and figure out how we can best get their bike set up for them or find them a new bike so they can have their ideal ride. It's a really humane place to work. It's a place where everyone gets to be themselves, and so everyone's happy. It's awesome.
Yeah.